This video demonstration, I want to play around with monitoring printers a little bit. So what I want to do is open up my devices and printers and go to my sales printer, and I want to pause that sales printer real quick just to get it ready for preparation of printing some jobs here. And I'm going to open up Notepad and I'm going to create a document, and I'm going to copy that by doing Control A and then Control C and pasting that in, and I'm going to do another Control A and Control C so I can get a lot of different pages here and just start making this a large multi-page document. And at this point I'm going to go ahead and print this to the sales printer. So I got a number of pages that I'm printing. I'm going to go ahead and get out of Notepad there. So I got a 20-page document I'm printing here, and then I'm going to open up Notepad again, and let's create just a 3-liner there, make it real simple, and then print again to the sales printer. Really one quick simple page, don't need to save that, done. And just real quick, looking at our print queue that we see here. Now to monitor, I can actually go into, well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm just going to stay right here in the queue. Why not? Let's just do this. Let's go to our sales printer and look in the queue, and let's just try to resume this document. Pause printing, and it says, "Oops, I had an error printing that." So let's get ready. Let's get rid of that and cancel it. And in fact, let's try to print this. Try to restart it and see what happens. It's still dying because, of course, this is just a logical printer. Nothing is really there. And in fact, I'm going to cancel all the documents in the queue. Now, just to kind of see what's going on with that, the difference between monitoring print jobs and total pages, if I go into my performance monitor, and then performance monitor, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this object of processor and the percent processor time and add in the object of print queue. And remember, I just want to focus on the sales printer, so I'm going to go down here and get my total pages. What happens here? Total pages printed, and add that in there. And we'll just add that for right now, just see what happens here. So, and let's change this, by the way, from a line view, which doesn't really tell us a whole lot, to a report view. And we look at our total pages that it printed was 24 total pages. Now let's go in there and see the jobs. So again, I'm going to print queue, and we want to do total jobs printed again just for sales, and add that in there and say OK. And look, it says total jobs printed was only 2, so we got 24 pages printed and only 2 jobs printed. So as you can see, there's a difference there. Just monitoring the jobs can be deceiving. Monitoring the total pages gives you a better idea of what's going on with that printer and that print device. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that is cleared out. I think it is. Yes, and we're good to go. That's all we had to do for this portion of the lab.